If you are an Uyghur who live in East Turkestan or so-called Xinjiang Autonomous Region, you know that your ethnic background or being an Uyghur can be a sole reason for detainment in so-called re-education Chinese prison camp. My nephew, Ekrem Yarmuhammed, who is the son of prominent Uyghur writer Yarmuhammed Tayetoglu, is one of these victims. Estimated number of the people who have been locked up in so-called Chinese re-education prison camps is already more than 3 million. Today, I would like to testify for Ekrem with Jean Boonen's Shahid Biz database. This is Ekrem's picture. He is 30 years old this year. Ekrem was detained in November 2016. Ekrem's birthday is October 1st, 1989. Ekrem's national identification number is 653-101-8909133211. Ekrem's address in Urumqi City is 生理路543号. Ekrem was detained by Chinese government in November 2016 in my suspect for these following 3 reasons. Reason number 1. I did international monetary transfer before his detainment in November 2016 from United States of America to Urumqi. And shortly afterwards, he received the money. He was detained by the police. This is reason 1. Reason number 2. He was opening a bookstore and running a private publishing business. His book by the time of his arrest or detainment in 2016. The name of his bookstore is Tolok Bookstore, and it is under the pen name of his father, who is a prominent Uyghur writer, Yarmuhammed Tolok. Tolok Bookstore. This can be a crime in the eyes of the CCP. While CCP is trying to eradicate the Uyghur language in the system altogether, opening up a bookstore, selling Uyghur literature books, publishing Uyghur literature books can be a crime. Reason number 3. By the time police searched the house of the detainment, they found an MP3 with Quran recitation. Quran is Muslim people's holy book, like Bible for Christians. In China, having Quran, a copy of your religious book, can be a crime. These 3 reasons are all of my suspect. Until now, I don't know why he was detained. But the fact I know that all the reasons, all the excuses that Chinese government gave to my family in Urumqi can be nonsense, unjustifiable. I urge Chinese government to set my nephew Ekrem Yarmuhammed for free, because he's a law-abiding citizen and he didn't violate any laws and regulation of Chinese government. He deserves to spend his life at the outside of the prison. He doesn't deserve to wear a prison jacket and spend his valuable youth inside the harsh Chinese prison camps. I can't imagine that he is wearing the Chinese prison jackets and is sitting just depressed and missing his family members inside the prison. If you are a friend who is interested in Uyghur plight, I ask you to share this video. I understand that you're frustrated in the time of the pandemic, but don't forget, people are suffering even more in East Turkestan or so-called Xinjiang Autonomous Region. Their case deserves our attention. I say thank you to all of the friends who shared my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.